This is the May 16th, the first day in the field in Togo, when we collected data from our trial in all the fields. So we just started, it's not the end, but what we've seen in the first day is that the control orchards infestation is ranging between 30 to 60% through several varieties. We believe that this is even low because the farmers in those orchards, they pick the fruit very early when the fruit is still very green. When we went to the orchard, site number 1 and site number 2 in our trial, where they are treated with the solution of Biofeed, what we've seen is infestation in site number 1 of 7%. So out of it, 80%, meaning 5 fruits about, is without eggs and without larva, just a puncture. 2 of them has eggs, only eggs. So this is very good. It means that actually we're talking about 2% that are infested with eggs or larva or something. This is in site number 1. In site number 2, I didn't have time to work on the numbers because we just finished. But it also looks like we've managed to stand to our challenge to decrease the infestation by 50% in the first year. Today we have seen the flies of Ceratitis cossiera and Bactrocera dorsalis. We see them in the field. And in site number 1, we have managed practically to decrease the infestation by 85% to 95%. This is about the range. So I'm really happy to say that we have done what we came here for, and this is to decrease infestation by 50%. And we actually done more. As I will collect more data tomorrow and work on the data from today, I will be able to share more. So this is a very good day for us, and we are all very excited and very happy.
Thank you.